One, two, three, action!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Gresik. At the peaceful banks of Kali Lamong in Gresik, a clear river and a strong riverbank tree live side by side. The river gave water to the village while the tree held the soil firmly with its roots. Every day, the village children came to play and enjoy the beauty of nature. Look at the water, Mawar. It is so clear. And the fish are swimming happily. This tree gives us fresh air and a cool stress.
I am happy when my water can flow freely.
And I strong when my roots can breathe in clean sun. We should always protect this place. Yes, the river and the tree, part of our home. Clear blue water, strong green tree, nature cares for you and me. Keep it clean and let it flow. Help our lovely Gresik grow. La 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 But as time passed, some people became careless. They thought that one bottle or one wrapper would not cause a serious problem. Mawar, please pick that up. The river is not a trash bin. It's only one bottle. The river are big and we're not metal. Do not throw that river away. I don't see any trash bin earlier. Then keep it in your bucket until you find one. It's probably gonna fade away.
Fly away? Where do you think the trash will go? It will stay inside me.
And some of it will become trapped around my roots. Soon, one bottle became 10 bottles. One wrapper became a pile of wrappers.
Oh my god, my water cannot flow freely.
Oh no, my roots are being covered by plastic. Day after day, the pollution became worse. The factory waste harm the water, while the plastic trash blocks the river's flow. Look at the fish. There are weeds and floating to the trash. The water is poisonous and the fish constantly eat it.
I am sick from the pollution. I can no longer protect the life inside me.
My roots are becoming weaker. I thought my rubber will fade away. Rubbish does not survive just because we cannot see it. Then heavy rain came. Because the water was blocked by the trash, the river had nowhere to go.
The rainwater keeps coming, but I have no place to carry it.
Then the rainwater will rise above the riverbank. The river is overflowing. Now the river is leading to us. No, Mawar, the river is not attacking us. Our exit closed this. Let's go. Melati and Mawar were frightened, but they knew that running away would not solve the problem. Staying silent was not enough. They had to take the responsibility and help to repair the damage. We cannot repair everything in 1 minute, but we can begin now. I will help them this mess, so I must to clean it. And after cleaning it, we must set or have it. Plastic bottles go in the recycling bag. I will collect plastic paper near the tree roots. I will clean the riverbank. Melati and Mawar told their families, teachers, neighbors, and village leaders about the pollution. The villagers reported the illegal waste dumping to the authorities, while the factory was ordered to stop releasing it. And trade workers removed the dangerous waste, while the villagers continued cleaning the riverbank.
I'm sorry, River. I thought one bottle will not matter. One small bottle may look small, but many small careless actions can create a large problem.
The nature began to recover.